More than 10 years after the murder of Florida State law professor Dan Markel in this neighborhood, we're hearing reaction to the pushback trial of Donna Adelson. I'm Kendall Brandt in the Midtown neighborhood. I told you Tuesday that Donna Adelson's trial has been continued after one of her attorneys withdrew from the case. Now I'm taking a look at how this is impacting the court and how one of Markel's friends is feeling. State Attorney Jack Campbell says a lot of work went into this case.
I've been involved in a lot of trials. I've not been involved in anything bigger than this one.
What he's talking about, the trial of Donna Adelson, a woman accused of working with her son Charlie to murder her ex-son-in-law Dan Markel. Jury selection was set to start Tuesday with the same attorney her son used, Dan Roshbaum.
So as a result, I need to withdraw from the case.
But Roshbaum withdrew after Charlie invoked his Sixth Amendment right to not have his former lawyer represent his mother. Campbell says Charlie previously signed a waiver to allow Roshbaum's representation.
We wouldn't have gotten this far and done all the things we did if we didn't think we were going to go to trial this week.
It's a case he says has taken lots of resources to get off the ground, and the continuance will cost the state attorney's office
Tens of thousands of dollars.
Can you kind of talk about the burden that this placed on the court?
And the community. 600 people were summoned for potential jurors for this.
He says the Markel family was headed to Florida from Canada when the trial was pushed back. I spoke with Donna's new defense attorney, Alex Morris, who says this was not anticipated by the defense team.
There were waivers in place that seemingly resolved the conflict issue, but as is anyone's right in that circumstance, their consent or their permission was revoked.
He said it was also hard on Donna.
It's been a stressful day for Mrs. Adelson, no doubt about that.
I spoke with one of Markel's friends, Jason Solomon, who's a part of the group Justice for Dan. He says he was disappointed to see the delay, but says he knows justice will be served.
Two of them are in jail. They're not getting out anytime soon. Because of the steadfastness and skill of the state attorney's office.
Morris told me he expects the trial to start between November and February. Campbell says he's not as sure about that timeline, but the state attorney says he is confident in his team.
Georgia Kapleman is one of the best trial attorneys in America. There's nothing that we're not watching and trying, and I mean, it's a pretty big chess game.